We're gonna learn some letter sounds. We're gonna learn some letter sounds. We're gonna learn some letter sounds. Let's find out what they are. A says ah, 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 ah. B says b, 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 b. C says k, 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 k. D says d, 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 d. E says eh, 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 eh. F says f, 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 f. G says g, 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 g. H says I says e, 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 e. J says j, 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 j. K says k, 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 k. L says M says N says O says P says p. Q says qu. R says r. S says s. T says t. U says V says v. W says w. X says x. Y says y. Z says z. Those are our letter sounds. Practice till you know them well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.